Let's take a look at this one today. It's a 911. We have restored many 356s, but also many 911s. This is a long wheelbase car from 1970, which is far from original. This is I don't know what this is, how you call it. Is it a resto mod or is it a outlaw or how you call it? It's always special. Long story, this car was I found it in Estonia, and had a customer who wanted to have something really special. So we took this one, started up building a good body. He wanted to keep the car not wide body, narrow body, like an old 911 should look like. It's supposed to look like short wheelbase. We restored the chassis. We restored everything as usual. The car was painted Irish green according to customers' wishes. It has a pretty basic stock but almost as new 2-liter engine. This car is not made for racing. It's more like a cool car to drive around. It's an artwork. We just came in with this car from driving, so it's a little bit dirty. Sorry, you don't have to film that one. Engine was taken apart. It was restored somewhere in Sweden actually when I bought it, and we made a cosmetic restoration here. We gave it a little bit twist with all these colors, so it looks nicer than the original one. It has old style gauges. Gauges are, take a look. The gauges are green ones, special made for the customer, and the car is named Signe. Signe is the customer's grandmother. She was named Signe, so this car was named after her. If you take a look at this interior, everything is custom made. Two-tone nice leather, cognac, and a green insert in Pepita, and also here green Pepita. Custom made carpets. The car is strictly 2-seated. You can take up the seats here. Take a look at the rear seat. There is no rear seats. It's mostly only for luggage. Seats are Recaro. 917 gear knob. Special made steering wheel. Special made this. Special made this. We made those in-house. We make a lot of small gadgets as well. This car is equipped with a electric sunroof, which is really great. And this car was also equipped with an electric air condition, which is nice in the hot days and hot climate. Made for driving, really made for driving. Everything is nice. It looks great. It's very, how to say, stylish. Signe name is here on the steering wheel and also on the gauges there, so the customer will see it when he drives it. Think about his grandmother. There are like special made RS with a leather strap. Door pockets, also in two-tone leather. One mirror. So this is basically a brand new car now. Everything is restored in this car and a little bit more. It's absolutely perfect. We have done almost everything to this car what's needed. Let's take a look at everything works like it should. Take a look around here. Nice Porsche badge. This one looks very nice as well. Here's the Here's the extra wheel. Yeah, as new. This one shows the air condition system is under here. Everything special made for this car. I don't know what else to say. It's absolutely stunning. The paintwork is perfect. The gaps are perfect. You see on the millimeter. Look how these ones are going. Exactly like they were from the factory. Lights are good, like it should be. I like this car. There's a lot of wide body cars all the time. We have that one, for example. We build, I don't know how many wide body 964s and 993s and turbo style 911s we have built. But this car looks like a really early one. So let's take a look at Signe's underside. This car has a bit modern rear suspension, like these ones. I think they came out with the 930s, aluminium. Better corner shocks, better brakes. Everything looks damn nice. Everything is like new. No oil leaks from the gearbox. No visible oil leaks on the engine. Little bit dust here from this. Yeah. Perfect, nice undercoating. Also here we have the newer stuff from the, and you see the S brakes here and the S struts. Connies are good. Could have been Bilstein as well, but no, Connies are good. I like them. Everything is nice with the under paint and the black ones. Yeah, looks like a damn new car. All this nice. We also, every time we protect the car with rust underproofing, we have wax sealing. So the car will stay like new as well. So this car we used, customer really wanted to have mini lights. I think they're 5.5 in front, a little bit wider in the back. 6 in the front. It's quite hard to get these ones fitting 911 because they don't have the perfect offset, but it's okay. 6 inch goes nice. Look at this golden thing. It's not like 911 and Fuchs is more, but it gives it so. Why not? Really nice car everywhere. Ah, yeah, and here is also the. This is where the air condition is going. It's all covered up nicely. The air conditioner from classic retrofit is. The cooling is behind here. We made a cover for it. Yeah. The electric air condition. Really nice. Just go out enjoying the car, I think. I'm happy. It's like it should be. Yeah. Yeah, let's go out driving. Seat position is good, really nice seats. I love those Recaro seats. Engine runs like a clock. So, shall we do it with or without the sunroof? Ta-da! Today is a spring day. It's quite nice weather. What is it, 20 degrees? Yeah, let's drive. Better watch out for the police. Keep to the speed limits. This car really wants to drive a lot faster, but see now it's totally quiet. No air noises. Really nice. You can have a good conversation in this. Little bit easier than a cabriolet or open top car. No power steering in these cars. Moves great. It's not a rocket, but it moves great. The 911 is more a GT car, a more long driving car than the 356. 356 is more go-kart. Nice cornering, nice brakes. So, Signe is back. Drove around for an hour or two. Really nice car. I will miss her, as usual. It's always the same story with all these nice cars. Every year it's, 10 cars are leaving. There's a tear for everyone. So much work and effort goes into this. Well, Signe works great. We will take her out, take her up on the lift tomorrow, change the oil, and prepare her for shipping to the customer so he can enjoy it in the summer. That's it. Keep Porscheing.